If you're preparing for the Certified Management Accountant qualification, this video is going to give you a full overview of what to expect in Part 2, from syllabus to weightage to subtopics and exam format. Now, unlike Part 1, which focuses more on the financial reporting and internal controls, Part 2 takes you into the world of strategic financial management. This is where things get exciting and a little more real world. Because here you will be dealing with financial decision making, risk investment evaluation, and even ethics in a business context. So let's begin with the structure of the exam. The US CMA Part 2 exam is divided into 6 major sections. Each section carries a different weightage in terms of marks. Understanding this distribution is important because it helps you allocate your preparation time strategically. Here's how it's broken down. Financial statement analysis accounts for 20%. Corporate finance also carries 20%. Business decision analysis also holds the highest weightage at 25%. Enterprise risk management is 10%. Capital investment decisions are also at 10%, and professional ethics makes up the remaining 50%. To prepare effectively, candidates should prioritize business decision analysis due to its 25% weightage, followed closely by financial statement analysis and corporate finance, which carries 20% each. Now let's go deeper into what each of these sections covers, starting with financial statement analysis. This section helps you understand how to analyze financial data and draw meaningful conclusions from it. You will cover comparative financial statement analysis, basically comparing one year's data to another to spot trends and patterns. You'll study key financial ratios like liquidity, profitability, and solvency ratios. You'll learn how to assess an organization's financial performance and also explore some special issues such as the impact of inflation or changes in accounting methods. Next, we have corporate finance. This section prepares you to understand the financial structure of a business. You'll study risk and return relationships, learn long-term financial management strategies, and explore various businesses raise capital. Working capital management, which deals with day-to-day finances, is another important part of this. You'll also learn about corporate restructuring and how businesses manage finances across borders in the topic of international finance. Now let's talk about business decision analysis, which, as I mentioned, has the highest weightage, right? This area is all about making sound, data-driven decisions. You'll study cost, volume, profit analysis, which helps in understanding how changes in cost and volume affect a company's profit. Marginal analysis teaches you how to evaluate incremental changes in cost or revenue. And then you have pricing, which covers different strategies for setting prices in competitive markets. These are practical decision-making tools that are vital for any management accountant. Moving on to enterprise risk management. This section focuses on identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that can affect a business. You will learn about different types of risks: financial, operational, strategic, and compliance related. You will understand how to evaluate these risks and put into place strategies to manage or reduce their impact. Risk is a huge part of business today, and the CMAs are expected to take a proactive approach in this area. Then we get into capital investment decisions. This section teaches you how businesses evaluate large-scale investments like purchasing equipment or launching new products. You will learn about the capital budgeting process and explore methods like net present value and internal rate of return and payback period. These tools help in deciding whether a project is worth investing in, considering both risk and return. Finally, we have professional ethics. This is a core area not just for the exam, but as per your role as a finance professional. Here, you'll study business ethics, understanding right and wrong in a corporate context. You'll explore the ethical responsibilities of a finance professional and management accountants. And you'll also learn how organizations should foster ethical behavior at every single level. Ethics isn't just theory, it's something every CMA USA is expected to uphold in their career. Now let's quickly go over to the exam format. The US CMA Part 2 exam is 4 hours long. It is divided into 2 parts. The first part consists of 100 multiple choice questions which you need to complete in 3 hours. The second part is 2 essay type questions and you get 1 hour for this section. The MCQs are designed to test both your conceptual understanding and your ability to apply that knowledge. Each question will present a scenario, the stem which contains all the necessary information. One answer is correct while the remaining 3 are distractors. They may seem plausible but aren't accurate. As for the essay section, is designed to test your ability to explain concepts in detail and often to perform calculations. You may be asked to write a paragraph or 2 or to solve a problem and explain your answer. The more complete your response, the better your chances of scoring high. So what's the best way to prepare? Start by understanding the weightage. Prioritize the high mark sections like business decision analysis, but don't ignore the others. Ethics, for example, often appears in both objective and essay sections. Practice as many MCQs and essay scenarios as possible. Familiarize yourself with the question style and make sure your conceptual understanding is strong, especially in areas like capital budgeting and financial ratios. If you want structured guidance, expert mentorship, and quality study material, consider enrolling with the FinPlan Edu because we support US CMA candidates across every stage of their preparation. Now that you have a complete overview of the US CMA Part 2 syllabus and exam structure, it's clear that this paper isn't just about memorizing concepts, it's about applying financial strategy to real business situations. Whether it's analyzing statements, making investment decisions, or upholding professional ethics, this part of the exam prepares you to think and act like a strategic leader. Your focus should be clear: prioritize business decision analysis and then give equal attention to financial statement analysis and corporate finance. And of course, don't overlook ethics and risk. They're just as crucial in today's business world. Preparation is key, and having the right guidance can make all the difference. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the upcoming CMA insights. Got questions or need clarity on any topic? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you and help you out. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best for your CMA Part 2 journey.